Hey, what's going on, guys? So I got sent this high pressure gutter cleaner for free so I could test it out, let you know what I think about it. So first thing I want to let you know is you can see it's pretty lengthy, but it does have different sections. So this is the base section back here. Then it has these little like uh, adapter grommets in between each of these sections to lengthen it. So this is a section, then the adapter section, adapter section, adapter section, and then at the end you have this rake type of deal here. And what this is for is to actually sit down in your gutters. So if you have a lot of leaf buildup or junk in there, you can kind of rake it out, push it towards your downspouts, or scoop it out. And then at the very end, you actually have your high pressure nozzles there. So again, this does have on here the on-off switch, and it comes with two different nozzle options. So this one here, you can see it's just a circle, and that's your high pressure jet stream. And the first one on here that I have, that's kind of a fan type tip that you would use for flowers or something like that, because you don't want to, of course, spray your plants with high pressure jet stream. So let me just show you real quick what the fan one looks like. So you see it's nice and gentle. If I had flowers right here instead of weeds, I would be watering them and they would be happy, but I don't. So now I'm gonna go ahead and switch these nozzles, or these tips here, and show you. So also I guess I'll show you what it looks like without a tip on there at all. Just a regular like hose stream of water. And, and then I go ahead and switch this out, and I'll put the high pressure one on here. Oops. Put the high pressure one on here, and I'll take the other one back and put it, I don't remember if I mentioned this already or not, but put it on this storage spot here. So the one you're not using, you screw it on there and it'll be there next time. So here we go, the high pressure one. You can see how strong that is. If I had flowers there now, they would not be happy. All right, so now I'm gonna take this up. It's gonna be a bit difficult because you can see the length on this. It's gonna be hard for me to try to hold this and show you one-handed while I'm also, holding my camera and trying to spray it out. But I'll do my best to show you. So bear with me for a minute. All right, guys. So now I'm at the top of my ladder, and you can see I have a bunch of stuff in here. So the rake fits in there, really nicely. You see how it's pretty much just like moving. Look at all that sludge and stuff I have in there. So the rake is really good for like if it's really packed in there, moving it around. And then I'm going to turn on this high pressure nozzle, and you can see as I'm spraying and raking away, you just want to push it down towards your downspout there. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, I'm having a bit of a hard time with one hand, but there it is. You can see I finally got it, the big chunk of it blasted out down there. So look how much better that's looking down there now. All right, so there that is, guys. Check out again the section over here where I didn't clean at all yet. Then zoom in and you can see the spot where I raked and kind of pressure washed there. So it definitely made a huge difference. So I mean, it's a tool that's definitely worth it. I know kind of a couple years ago I paid a few $100s to have somebody come clean out all of my gutters, and now I'm gonna just go ahead and take a couple hours or so to save that money and just finish it all myself. So definitely seems like a product that's worth the value to me.